Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will guide you how to create MAC based policy on the firewalls policy. So first you need to sign in your firewall. Go to firewall and objects. Under objects, go to firewall policy. You can see I have created one policy and which action accept, and you can see I am getting ping now 8.8. Now I am going to disable stop this policy. Let's select this one. Let's select and request accept deny. Now you can see my ping will be stop. My ping will be stop. Now you can see I am getting request time out. So don't worry, today I will guide you how to create a line based policy. First we will select this policy and then delete. Now I am delete this policy. Now I am going to create new one, and my policy name LAN to WAN MAC base rule. Now my incoming interface is internal LAN and my outgoing interface is WAN and source device. Which of the source device? So I am going to create address, new address, MAC address PC1. Just I give MAC address address PC1. Okay, so interface is LAN, and here I will select dynamic MAC address, and here I need to paste MAC address. So how will I find MAC address? So I need to go to the PC. On this PC I will open another tab, CMD. It is little bit slow. It is opening multiple. Get MAC. So you can see this is my MAC address. So I am going to paste this on my firewall. So you can paste here, and sorry, I think here required column because it is its number. So you can do like this. Then if you required command, make Avinash PC1, and you can click on OK. We have added MAC address. Now the destination is WAN, so we don't need to select anything. We can add this one, and destination all, and then service. You can add any ports, but I have now you can filter in port, but I have allow all. Then after accept, and then outgoing traffic, then enable check boxes, firewall policies, and SSL encryptions you can set up. Otherwise you can drop and enable packet capture also as well as session all sessions. Then comment test policy policy and click on to create. Once you click on create, okay, okay, and we will move to our system. You can see still I am getting wow. Now I am getting ping request from 8.8 and successfully authenticated. And another way you can test it, this policy, you can see if I refresh this page, refresh this page, under policy you can see 197 KB I have data consumed. So I can also do like I can open this page, and here google.com I'm just trying to open. Okay, you can see it is loading, little bit slow, and internet sign in on. Machine is very weird. So exit. I don't want to wait more time. But I have initiated traffic, so it will might be open. I am opening another page. But I have initiated already, then I need to just refresh this page. You can see 197 KB. Once I refresh again, then traffic will be changed 955. So this policy is working. So in this policy I guide you how to create firewall rule 14 gate using MAC address, MAC filtration. You can create multiple rules like admin label, administrator label, normal users. You can create types of, or you can create IP address, or but it is best if you create firewall rule using MAC base. So thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel video. Jai Hind.